In this room today I'm going to do moisture protection, so I will use this Bona 540. I use it a few times and very good blocked moisture, so all room is completely dry. In this room I need just slightly grind this edge, and then what I wanna concentrate you. So if you put foam and did leveling, there is a concrete, you see. And if you're not removing this foam and going to apply this Bona moisture protection, when you attach with roller, it can be fall down, you know, this concrete from the foam, and you will see later when it's dry little bumps. So first of all I want to take all foam from the walls, grinding, sweeping perfectly, and then I will do application. Bona recommend do it in two different directions, two coats. For example, if we're doing this way, now next coat should be this way, okay? Nothing special, just very simple. I hope everybody can do it. So this 1 gallon for 750 square feet. Here is around 340. So close enough for 2 coats, 1 gallon. I paid for this can 300 something, $20. So pretty good price, not expensive. For block from the moisture, it's really good. So if you have high moisture and use this Bona, it's like from my experience, you just, if it's like you feel moisture when you put Bona, you will feel next day like moisture is really disappeared. Not 100%, but slightly down, because air, you know, absorbs so much water. Just like this, holds away, and after we have to wait 2-3 hours, and then put another coat. Boom, that's it. It's dried pretty quick now. Summertime, outside, very good temperature, so 2-3 hours and we can do another application. After 3 hours, it's workable, it's not sticky, already dry. I put fan, you know, to make more air circulation. So second coat, if I paint this floor this direction, now I'm going this direction, okay? Second application looks more fat. It's like if you apply finish to the wood surface, first coat is just absorbed to the wood, but second coat is just already shiny and, you know, looks like you put the same quantity, but it looks like you put a lot, you know. And very important, do it twice, not one time, because this is what I am telling you. So first coat, just absorption and not protect 100%. But when you put second coat, it will be completely protected. So don't forget about, if you doing this, not be so economical, like one coat, two coats, okay? You see, this is how it should be, looks like. Very shiny. But when I apply glue, it will be sticky. So you will see tomorrow I'll do glue down installation here. You see, in this basement I'm using glue down type of flooring installation. This is engineering hardwood flooring. But you can use the same techniques, I mean moisture protection, if you're going to install any type of flooring in the basement if you feel there is a high moisture. So I have a video where I did it for vinyl flooring installation. It was a few years ago. In the basement was very high moisture, you know, when we removed old floor, there was some pots of water. So we remove all water, grind floor, did leveling, and then put this Bona 540 and then install vinyl flooring. Now I'm doing application with this glue R851. This glue with moisture protection also. Very good bonding. I already installed part of flooring and just keep going. So just for your knowledge, if you're using for example Bona glue, use Bona membrane and it will be bonded very well and you will be successful. I hope this video was interesting for you. If you will share it and leave a comments. I hope YouTube will show my videos for more people and they will know how to do moisture protection and flooring installation, leveling, all these things. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.